Hey everyone! In this video I'll show you how to use the greater than and less than formulas in Excel. Let's get started. I have some values in column B that I'll be working with in this tutorial. For this example I want to test if the values are greater than or less than 10,000. The formula I'll use is equals, followed by if, and then an opening bracket, and then I'll select the value I want to test. In this instance, it's 13,850 in cell B3, so I'll enter B3. I'll next add the greater than symbol, and then 10,000. I'll follow this with a comma, and then I will enter what I want to be shown if the value is indeed greater than 10,000. To do this, I will add quotes, and I'll have the value display as greater if the value in cell B3 is greater than 10,000. Next I'll add quotes, and then a comma. Next I will tackle what happens if the value is less than 10,000. I will add if, and then an opening bracket, and then once again I'll select the value in cell B3, and this time I'll use the less than symbol, followed by 10,000. And like the greater than portion of the equation, I'll add a comma and then quotes, where I will put what I want to be displayed if the value is less than 10,000. This time I'll put less, followed by quotes, and then two closing brackets to finish off the formula. And then I'll click enter, and we can see that for the value of 13,850 in column B, we are seeing that the formula is showing the value of greater, which means that its value is greater than 10,000. I'll now copy the formula to the remaining rows. Now all the rows are accurately showing whether the value in column B is greater than or less than 10,000.